Hey guys, we received this COOFANDY men's blazer slim fit casual sport coat for test and try. So this comes in a nice gift box. So let's just open it and see. So this is a gray color one. So this is a sport jacket. So it's not like a complete trouser and the top set. So you can just use it on anything you want or any pant that you have or the trouser you have. So you see a nice design here with this the buttons on the side. There's a nice design and the color, like a gray color. So it's a two button design and the nice color set. So it's a lightweight sports jacket thing and the inner soft material for the lining. So after wearing it feels comfortable and looks really nice. That's also fits in the side set. So it's a really nice sports jacket. We say like it's good on as a dress shirt on the dress shirt or as on a t-shirt or jacket as well.